Kevin, do you want to go get a bath? Sounds like a yes to me. Kevin! Kevin! Come on! Will you please jump up? Come on! Bruce would do it. You could have done that on your own. Good thing you're getting a bath, you slobber. On your noggin! Ah! Oh no. Are you the best Kevin I ever saw? Are you gonna shake all over me? You like it? Thanks, Kevin. Sometimes you're Kevin and you get a bath. I didn't do anything yet. Oh yeah. Can you turn around? Will you turn around? Can you turn around? Go this way. Kevin, turn. Kevin! Okay, sit in your conditioner. I love this, Kevin. Kevin, I'm soaked. Kevin! Kevin! You dry yourself on the towels. Oh, that's so helpful. Oh, big cheek. Say bye. Hi, my bestest friend. Kevin, bye. Right, Kevin? Right, Kevin. Kevin. You're not going to say bye to Kevin? Bye. No. Kevin's like, my mom actually bought the Timbit package. They also probably get many a compliment on the fact that his name is Kevin. Look at this nice Kevin. See it up? Oh, don't sit on me. Oh, stack of cash. I'll look after that for you. Ugh. Sure wish I remembered a hair elastic today. Like, she's so nice in the sense that she's like, I just want him to have a good experience. Like, if you think it'll break the trust, don't worry about it. Ideal lady. Yeah. Kevin, how come all the dogs' moms aren't your mom? Good boy. Here. Oh, my best friend, Kevin. Now you're like, fuck, fuckity fuck. Yeah. Sometimes it's either swear or punch yourself in the face, and it's easier to swear. All right, Kevin, this is obviously the easiest way to brush your tail. Are you going to lay down? Please don't lay down. That's silly. You're attached to the table. That is so silly. Get to hang out with Kevin, who I love. Kevin says, please don't embarrass me. And Kevin's not there. There's something for everyone. Some people work with dead bodies. I'm not one of those people. Every day is jam-packed busy, and that's nice. Yeah, Kevin. Kevin, don't sit on me. Wow. The most handsome Kevin that I ever saw. Do you like getting spa days without your brother? Just me and you, like the good old times? No? Okay. Great. Can you stand up? Thanks. Kevin, I know she's beautiful, but you're coming on kind of strong. Kevin, you're looking so desperate, honestly. You gotta at least buy her a treat first. She is beautiful. Kevin also sees that. See that? She's so nice. I'm not a shepherd person, but she's very nice. The shepherds I really like. It just takes a real certain kind of person to have a good, well-balanced shepherd. Kevin, don't say it on me. They all do be shedding, Kevin. You're being so good. If you want to feel like you're living in the Wild West, get a sheddy dog. You're being so nice about your feet. Yeah, stand up. Or sit down. Yeah, just kidding. Psych. You know what I also like about Kevin's mom, other than everything? She's just like, don't bother with his feet. I don't want him to bite you because he's been protective about it. She's like, let him look ugly and just have fun and everyone is safe. Because there's so many people that are like, oh, but he needs it. But he needs it done. Oh, you couldn't do it? Yeah, what do you mean? He tried to kill you, but you did do his nails. You're like, I can't finish the groom if he bites my whole face off. Kevin, you didn't bring a hair elastic with you, did you? I usually have my wiener dog hair clip here. Like, they're in my hair and then I leave. Are you? Are you closing your eyes? Oh, that's the sweetest, Kevin. My dad has a live stream for the lake so that you can just look. You can just look at Golden Lake. I'm not saying it's photoshopped, but there is a Loch Ness monster in his live stream of the lake. It's just so classic dad. Like, what a textbook dad thing to do. Kevin? Can you please? I promise you don't know them. I don't know every person you know, but... No, you don't know him. No, you don't know him. Do you want to smell like a blueberry? I got you this really handsome bandana fabric for Christmas. But you weren't here, so... I mean, it's snowflakes. And Christmas doesn't own snowflakes, so you can have this. And you match your brother. It's so nice. I know. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, Kevin. I learned my lesson that I should put this on you before. No. Before your family comes for you. Come this side. I know you did it. You're the goodest boy. I know, you don't get to go home with them. You don't know them. Woo! He's upset that he didn't get it to Mitt. Kevin! What? Go! Kevin. He's a bulldozer. Kevin. I think he just looks crazy when he jumps around. Where are all the balls? White balls? Ha ha ha. Hi! Oh, no mistake. Oh, God. You're a weird guy. Oh, God. Fear. Oh, yeah. Kevin, I would die for you. Whee! Woohoo! It's like, fast day.